Hey, what's up, WazirX holder? So what's going on, my brother? Today I'm very happy and I'm very excited for today price prediction because I surprising you, my WazirX holder millionaire brother. Because this video is going very special. You can see out the all market cap is going down, but I can't believe that WazirX gone. How is it possible WazirX coin has gone up? Oh my goodness, you can see here. Let's get started this brand video, my friend. But I request you, if you are new on our channel, then most welcome to our channel. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for latest news. I guide you free and every critical situation, every good news or bad news. I obtain. You personally message me on Instagram if you have need any help in a crypto market. You can see here this time in the last 1 hour they completely very badly down. You can see here. But at the previous days they gone upwards, so this is I can't believe it. So how is it possible? In the last previous days, every cryptocurrency market cap has gone down, but WazirX coin as one of the unique coin today gone up, and absolutely at the critical situation for every holder to sell it, hold it, or buy it. You can see here this time change occur and negative very badly 0.66% crypto market market rate. You can see here this time, and the price is 3.41 US dollar. So absolutely the price is decreased. I think let's check out the last 3 days result towards gone, and the last 3 days charts is absolutely important. Then we decide after what this 3 days chart, then we decide this is selling time, holding time, or buying time. So my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, this time if you can see here in the last 3 days they change occur and negative minus 5.93%. They're gone down very badly down. You can see here very badly down. But with zero x coin absolutely after a dump they take a very high jump. You can see here, this is proof. You can see here, so they're going up like a rocket, and I hope in upcoming days and soon they absolutely going up like a rocket. So the price absolutely this time 3.58 US dollar, and the price is decreasing day by day, hour by hour. But I hope in upcoming and soon they go up like a rocket. They make you millionaire. They give you a good profit at the end of this month. Okay, so please hold it. And if you want to sell it, then absolutely I think this time sell it and be safe from any loss. But if you cannot you decide to we or hold it from long time, then absolutely this is a very smart dump for you. Please cannot sell it, hold it, and wait for the end of this month. I hope they make you millionaire. They give you a good profit. So thanks for watching with your ex holder. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for latest news, for guidance. You personally message me on Instagram or email. Okay, thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Like this video also.